Assalamualaikum guys, so I just bought this Halloween pumpkin, which is called in slime. So let's get started. Oh, it's kind of a putty. So let's open it. It feels and kind of looks like water. But let's open it and see. Oh, you can open it from here. Ooh, that's so nice. Oh my god, I just love this slime. Can you see that? Oh my god. It's like a putty. It's not really good for squishing, but for stretching, oh my god. Guys, you have to buy this if you want a very nice slime that you can stretch on and on and on. And guess what it comes with? You guys have to guess. I'm not gonna tell you. Oh, scary. Wait a second. Ha ha ha. This is gonna be our potion. Wait a second. You can't see the surprise yet. So, Eye of Dragon, Tail of Newt. Make this potion a Halloween fright. Magic spell. Now you have to add in these eyeballs. Okay. Take it out. Oops. Ooh. Eye of Dragon. These are eyes of dragon. Now it's gonna be a crunchy delight too. Oh, can you hear them rattling against each other? Like that's so ASMR. So I'm gonna rate this at my old slime. I think this is gonna be better. Oh my god. So let's open this one up. Okay, this one is ASMR for squishing. So I give this 9 out of 10. And this one is ASMR for stretching. And so this one is also 9 out of 10. Because it's not that good for squishing. And it's kind of runny. And I do not like runny slimes that much. And it's not the best. It's not like, oh my god, that's so wow. It's not, it's really, really wow. It's not really, really, you know those ASMR slimes that are really nice? No, it's not them. Should I add the crunchy delight to here? Ooh, this is so nice. Oh my god. I really, really love these. I'm not gonna mix these because it'll just make them, no. Oh my god, this is a tarantula. Look, with a blob. Should we make it its hair? Or do you want to make it its blobby feet? Okay, that looks like hair. And this looks like hair too. So if you do this, oh my god, these sprinkles from this slime are coming into the other slime. Okay, you can go back in. You are rated good by the judges, but not full. But you can stay out, green, with your slime. I got this slime from Primark, the green one. Yeah, because Halloween is coming, so they have some Halloween stuff. And I just love this slime. Wait, should we see if we can make a bubble? so stretchy. Ooh, that is so nice. Let's see what happens if you take it off. Can you join it back together? Yeah. But it's best if you don't take it off. Oh my god, it's just so ASMR to play with. Can you hear that? Kind of glow in the dark. I don't know. When you put it in the light, it feels so neon. So ASMR to play with this. You guys should definitely buy it from Primark. I don't know if you guys like live in another country, like Scotland or Wales or Ireland, because this Primark I'm talking about is in England. So I don't know if it's in your guys' land. So it's actually so nice. Oh my god, that was ASMR. Did you hear that? Whee! So let's stretch it out again. Stretch, 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 stretch. Oh my god. It doesn't stretch that much, but when you do stretch it, it's really nice. Let's make a bubble. First we gotta attach these. Let's make another witch's thing. So we have to add the first ingredient, the first and only ingredient. What is this? It is, oh, do you hear that? It is gooey seaweed. This is to make you breathe underwater, this potion. Let's sizzle and whistle the potion. Let's leave it on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 seconds. And now let's add this gloop. This is the packet it came in. Ooh, it feels like slime now. It definitely wasn't slime before. You're supposed to play with the slime and play and play and play until you can feel the slime not resting on here. So now I'll be able to breathe underwater. Let's make this giant ring. Pretend it's giant and no. This potion does not work. Who gave me the ingredients? Who was my assistant? You bowed. Now you will suffer from this terrible. You do not even fit. Okay, so guys, now this video is coming to an end. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Some more. Oh my god, I could just keep playing with this for like 18 hours. Oh my god, so nice. Okay, bye. I have to finally finish this video, but not playing with the slime. Bye. You can have some slime if you want. Here you go. This much. Only this much.